Hello everybody and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to see how we can transform the same ingredients into totally different things. Only by changing one of the things in one of the ingredients. So are you ready to try it out? Grab your aprons and let's go. So the first thing we're going to do is bring out our ingredients. We have bananas and walnuts and cacao powder, that's powdered chocolate, and almond milk and salt and some vanilla. So step 2 will be going into our first recipe. First, let's measure how much of each ingredient we need. Our first ingredient is going to be the bananas. We need 3 bananas. So let's peel them, chop them, and add them to the blender. Next, we're going to measure our walnuts. We need 4 ounces of walnuts. Be very careful. To hit exactly on the 4 ounces mark. Whoop. I think we're good for 4 ounces. Oops. And into the blender they go. Next we need 3 tablespoons of our chocolate powder. Oops. 1, 2, 3. Now we need a pinch of salt, little pinch, a bit of almond milk, and a dash of vanilla. And now we are ready to blend. Ta-ta! Are you ready to press the button? Let's see. Ta-da! You have beautiful chocolate spread. Now, I like to heat mine, cook mine just a little tiny bit. So we're gonna pour it in. And heat it up for just about 5 minutes. You have to stir it a little bit while you cook it. Make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom. And I think mine's done. Chocolate spread for anything you want. Now, turn off the heat, let it cool for a little bit, and then we're going to store it in an airtight container. Now, step 3, banana ice cream. Now the only thing that's going to be different is that the bananas are going to be frozen. we're going to take them out of the freezer because we put them in the night before. The first ingredient we're going to put in again is our bananas, which we got out of the freezer. Ding. Next, we're going to measure our walnuts again. Whoops, a little too much. Then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of our cacao powder. Two. I need help for 3. Whoops. And 3. And a dash of salt. A bit of almond milk. And a dash of vanilla. Whoops. And are you ready to blend? Are you ready to press the button? I am. And voila! Chocolate ice cream. I'm ready to serve. Are you ready for your snack? And there we have recipe number 1 and recipe number 2. Number 1, ingredients transformed, room temperature and a little bit of heat. And recipe number 2, ingredients transformed with a little bit of cold. Lots of freezing. Number 1 is a chocolate spread. Number 2 is a chocolate ice cream. I'm ready to try them out. Are you?